Hello and welcome to my channel again. Today I try to repair old video terminal of Digital Equipment Corporation VT220. I try to put on, but I blow on up to two fuses, and we'll try to open and check all circuits and all capacitors are if existing any leakage. Take care for some monitors because they have a high voltage on the flyer transformer. We need the discharge to ground before touch it the high voltage board. This terminal have two boards, logic board and an analog board. Analog board is in charge to the power up the monitor and provides the power to the pin to the CRT, and the logic board is in charge to the communication and the CPU and serial communications. First, we extract the two screws at the bottom and one on the back, and can extract the cover. This is a main CRT board. This is an analog board, and in the side had the logic board with the microprocessor and the communications ICs and the ROM. First, we can lose all the logic board screws to operate them before. Lose the few 1, 2, 3, 4 screws of the logic board. We can disconnect the bus from the analog board. And now we can extract the logic board. This is a logic board. It's in charge to the communications and video. It's based on the Intel microprocessor. They have some ROM. First, they take care for this connection. This is a high voltage connection. Sometimes it's charged, and we need to put on to the ground and discharge the monitor before touch anything. I prepared the big screw to separate the one hand separation and connected directly to the ground to discharge the transformer fly. Take care that the insert with the care into the check the disconnection. We disconnect and discharge securely the flyback transformer and the tube. Now we can lose the logic board screws attached to the main frame. Board is loosed, and take care the disconnect and disconnect this power cord. Now we can start to inspect all capacitors or of the logic board. This is a flyback transformer, the high voltage that powers the CRT, and we start review all the capacitors if have some short circuit into the board.